Good day, Doctor. We are from Group 1, and now I'm going to explain on Part A, which is the linked list implementation for this simple campus report system. So we use a simply linked list to store the ticket. Each ticket node contains the ticket data plus a next pointer. This is just a simple display ticket function to display the ticket information. The ticket list class manage this through a head pointer. So this is the constructor for ticket list, and this one is the destructor for ticket list. For the insert ticket function, it will first traverse to find the correct position, and second, it will check for duplicates, and thirdly, it will create a new node, and lastly, it will insert it either at the beginning if it is the smallest ID, or else in the middle by adjusting the pointer or at the end. So this is the delete ticket function. It will first search for the ticket and validate if it is exit or not. If deleting the head, it will update the head pointer. Otherwise, it will bypass the node by reconnecting previous to next. And finally, it will deallocate the memory using the delete. So let's just have a quick demonstration of our code. So at first, the list is empty, right? So if the user chooses true, it will show that no ticket is found. So let's add some ticket there. So as you can see, the ticket has added successfully. And now let's try to check if the ticket is already added or not. So as you can see now, the ticket show here. So let's just add another ticket. So the ticket has added successfully. So let's check. Yeah, as you can see, the ticket is added here. So now let's just try to delete the ticket. So if we enter a invalid value, it will show the error message, for example, 200 that we do not have here, right? So it will show that the ticket is not found. So now let's just try to enter a valid value. Then the ticket is deleted successfully. And now let's check. So the ticket ID of 100 is being removed. And lastly, let's see what will happen if we add the same ticket ID. As the ticket ID of 101 is already added, right? So it will show the error message. It cannot allow the duplicate ID to exit at the same time. So it will show the error message. So I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Boris Yang, and I'm in charge for the searching feature for the DSA assignment 2. So for the searching features, we will need a function for searching for the ticket. So for searching ticket, I have added a ticket search function for the ticket list. So this is one of it, and this one is another one. So for this one is for searching by the ticket ID, and then the second one is for searching the ticket by reporter name. So for searching ticket by ticket ID, it will search by integer ID, which is the value for the ticket ID, and it will search using sequential searching through the list of ticket list, and it will return the ticket pointer for the ticket that have the ID that was entered. And then for ticket search using reporter ticket list, for the ticket that have the same reporter name as the one that's passed here, and it will put it into a new list, and it will keep going on until the end of the ticket list, and it will return this ticket list to the main function. And in the main function, you can see in case 3 and case 4. So case 3 is for searching with ticket ID, and case 4 is for reporter name. So for case 3, it will get the point for the ticket, and it will basically display the ticket for that ticket. And then for the reporter name, it will get the list of tickets that have the reporter name, and it will display basically all the tickets that have the ticket name. So we will run the program and look at output for searching. So when you get the menu, you can first try for searching, even though it doesn't have any ticket yet. So we enter. So it will tell us that there's no ticket ID in the ticket list. So now we will add the ticket one, and then there's any reporter name, any location, any category, and priority in the description. And just any date now. So now let's search for that ticket, which is ticket ID 1, and we get the search result for the ticket. So when you try for using reporter name, it will also return the ticket for it. And if we have more than one ticket that have same reporter name, so now we have two tickets, and we search through ticket ID names here, and then we give just one because ticket ID is unique. And then for the search by reporter name, we will get both the galleries, reporter name, ticket that have the reporter name gallery. So that's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Nufata Nabila binti Zainuddin and I'm a member C of the group. So my role in this project is to implement the sorting feature for the simple campus reporting system. So the first function for my part is the sort by priority function, which is this function is to sort tickets by priority in descending order. So in this function, I use a bubble sort approach. The program travels the linked list using a loop and compares the priority of the current ticket with the next ticket. If the current ticket has the lower priority value, their data is swapped. This process repeat until no more swap are needed. So the next function is a sort by reported name function. So in this function is to sorting ticket by reported name in ascending order. So here the program compares reported name using string comparison like this. And then if the current reported names come after the next reported name alphabetically, so the ticket data is swapped. This continue until the ticket are arranged from A to Z. So the next function is a helper function. So both sorting methods use this helper function to swap the ticket information. Instead of changing the nodes pointer, only the data inside the nodes is exchanged. This keep the linked list structure intact and avoid pointer related error. So overall, all the sorting features are implemented using bubble sort algorithm, which is simple, easy to understand, and it is suitable for linked list traversal. So next, I will show you my output. After we add ticket, if we choose option number 7, which is generate report and sort ticket by priority, it will the output will come out like this. So the ticket will be in the ascending order. So this one by priority. So the highest priority will be the first one, then 3, and then 1. Okay. So the next one is option number 8, which is sort ticket by reported name in ascending order. So if we choose number 8, it will come out like this. So it will sorting your ticket by following the reported name alphabet. So A first, and then F, and then S. I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Amisal. For today, I will present for my part, which is part D. My responsibility is to implement the undo stack features using stack data structure. The purpose of these features is to allow the system to reverse the most recent user action, such as adding, deleting, and update ticket status. So the stack uses a principle of default, which is last in and first out principle. So now we're going to go to the code. I create a class for the undo stack. Okay, and all the declaration inside the undo stack class and the method as well. Okay. Now, after that, I also create a case for the action inside the system for undo stack, which is the adding ticket, delete, and update. So now we're going to go to the output. Now here I already inserted all the information. I'm just displaying all the data that have been saved, which is this ticket 101 and ticket 120. So for example, I want to delete ticket 120. So I will delete the ticket 6. I enter the ticket ID to delete is 120. So to check whether the ticket has been deleted, I just have to display everything again. Just display all ticket. So it is only ticket 101 inside the system now. So now the method or function that has been used for undo stack that I did, which is the case number 9, which is undo the last action. So now it's already undo the most recent user action, which is the ticket has been restored here. So to double check whether the ticket has been restored, I just have to display all the ticket again. So now the ticket has been restored, which is ticket 120. So now all the action will be the same with the status update and adding ticket also, or the undo last action that has been made by the user action. That's all for me. Thank you very much.